Good afternoon.
Hello and welcome to ИнстаФорекс Economic News TV channel with us, Ekaterina Stikhina
And Tahmina Salomova.
You are watching the currency and commodity market review for the past week.
What trends were seen in the Forex markets we had last week?
The euro strengthened against the US dollar.
And what triggered sell-offs of the greenback?
Downbeat economic statistics on the US GDP growth along with the Fed's decision to stand pat on its interest rate weighed on the American currency. On Friday, the US Commerce Department reported that the real GDP growth was 1.2% on an annual basis in the second quarter of 2016, according to the first estimate. Analysts had expected to see the growth of 2.6%. The figures disappointed investors, raising their doubts about an interest rate increase sometime this year. The euro jumped to $1.1174 against the US dollar during Friday's traders. The shared currency opened last week at the level of $1.0968. For the week, the single currency gained 1.8%. The euro gained momentum on Wednesday when the US Federal Reserve left its key interest rate unchanged without giving a hint of a possible rate hike sometime this year. At the same time, the Japanese yen rose after the Bank of Japan approved only limited stimulus measures for monetary policy on its Friday's meeting. It discouraged markets as they had expected much more aggressive easing. The US currency dropped to the mark of 102.06 versus the yen. Last Monday, the pair opened traders at the level of 106.19. The greenback hit a session low of 101.97, the lowest level since July 11. The pair's weekly decline was 3.8%. Except for additional easing of its monetary policy, the Bank of Japan did not cut interest rate nor increased the monetary base as it was expected by most experts. That's all about current tendencies on Forex for now.
Thank you for the currency market overview, Tahmina.
You are welcome, Ekaterina. What sentiment prevailed among commodity investors last week?
Different trends were witnessed in the commodity market. On Friday, crude futures closed the trading session with a mere gain, coming off lows as investors resumed purchases after quartz slumped below 3-month lows. In London, Brent contracts for October delivery rose to $43.53 per barrel. Nevertheless, quartz fell by $3.24 or 7.7% over the week. Throughout June, the Brent price dropped by 12.7% on the back of worries over a possible rise in exports from Middle East and North Africa. Meanwhile, WTI futures for September delivery grew in value to $41.60. A weekly price fall made up $2.60 or 5.68%. The WTI price lost 14% over the months. On Friday, Baker Hughes reported that the oil rig count in the U.S. advanced once again. According to the U.S. Energy Information Administration, crude oil inventories soared to all-time highs for this time of the year. Weak U.S. statistics on gross domestic product supported the gold market. The metal price sharply jumped following the data release. At COMEX, a diversion of the New York Mercantile Exchange, gold contracts for December delivery climbed to the session high of $1,362.00 at 3 ounce on Friday. It was the highest mark since July 11. The gold price ended the session at the level of 1,357.50 levels. In comparison with the opening price last Monday, the yellow metal price increased by $41.8.
Ekaterina, thank you for the commodity market overview.
You're welcome, Tahmina.
You have been watching the weekly currency and commodity market review on ИнстаФорекс TV channel.
It was presented to you by us, Tahmina Salomova
And Ekaterina Stikhina.
Have a great day. Goodbye.
See you.